Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called Join Confirm. This plugin allows server owners to make new players read the rules of the server in chat. The player will not be able to move until they type the command \agree. Getting started, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the icon on how to install plugins. After the plugin is installed, head to the config files. To get there, go to your server, click on the Files drop-down tab, and hit Config Files. You are looking for the config titled joinconfirm.yml. This will bring up a configuration file where you can set all the rules that you want the new player to read. After changing them, click Save and restart your server. This is what this plugin has to offer. If you have any more questions, we will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can use the Join Confirm plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.